Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to see how you can set up AWS Billing Alerts so you don't get surprised by the bill. So first log into your AWS console, then you have to search for the billing. Okay, so make sure you are logged in with your root user account. So you have to go for this billing and cost management, and on the left side you have to scroll down. So let's just load it. Okay, yeah, so scroll it down, and here you will see somewhere billing preferences. Okay, just click on it, and then here you will have this alert preferences. If you have never done it, then for you it won't be like this delivered to. So just for showing, I am just clicking on this edit button. You will get the same way. You will just click this receive AWS free tier alerts, and also you can do receive CloudWatch billing alerts. Already I have done it, so that's why it's showing me option to update. So I'll just cancel it. Next is the important step. With that only you will get your alert. So you have to go into your CloudWatch. Okay, so in CloudWatch there is a feature of alarms, so you can just click on this alarms from here itself. That's fine. And here in alarms you will see whatever alarms you have. If you have not created any, then it won't show anything. And one important thing, you have to make sure you have to select this first region, this N Virginia. Okay, because in this only you will see the billing details. In others region you will not see. So here you have to just select metric, and here you will see one option of billing. Okay, just click on it, and there you will get multiple options, but today we are going for the total estimated charge. And here you will be selecting this currency, as your Amazon gives you bills in USD only. Then here you can select the maximum, like if it reaches the maximum limit of whatever threshold you will define here, like if it's greater than 10 USD, then it will give you an alert. Okay, so just do a next, and here you need to create a SNS topic. If you have existing, then you can select any existing topic, otherwise you just go and create a new topic. And here you have to just give your email ID. Okay, so for now I'm just giving some test email ID. Okay, and then you have to just create a topic. Okay, then after that just do a next, give alarm name something billing alarm, and here you can type any message. Hi, you have reached 10 USD something. And at last you have to just simply do next, and you have to just review once if everything is fine or not, and just create an alarm. Okay, so with this you will get the alerts. And one more thing, what happens, whatever email ID you have given, for that you will get an email to subscribe this to subscribe whether you want to receive mail from AWS or not. So once you subscribe, then you will start getting the alarms in your inbox. Okay, so that's it, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.